Okay, I'm working with a client. This is my first project regarding digital marketing campaign, US target, and starting from logo design niche. For 2 days I didn't get a single impression. Okay, so I believe it is the keywords are kind of like logo design, graphic design, and so on. If you're not getting any impressions, that means your bids might be very low, so you need to start increasing it. Go a bit broader keywords. Don't just go an exact match, and try that as well. But I think it's most probably the bids which are very low. That's why it is not giving you any impressions.